Hello students, another video from the statistic unit. In this video, we will see to find the mean and here given marks of 15 students of a school from the following table. So here marks given of 15 students and total number of students. So आमकां हांगासर सांगला तेंच्यांनी कितले आसा total student 15. So हेंची total आसतली ती total कितली आसतली 15 आसतली. Okay, so 15 students. आता नेक्स्ट तुमकां हांगासर फाइंड आउट करपाक जाय fi xi. सो ह्यो कॉलम fi, हो कॉलम xi. सो हे दोनूय तुम्ही मल्टिप्लाय करा. हेजो मिनिंग कितें fi मल्टिप्लाय जातलो xi. सो ह्यो नंबर हेका मल्टिप्लाय कराच. 39 into 1 39. नेक्स्ट 40 into 2 80. नेक्स्ट 41 into 1 41. नेक्स्ट 42 into 1 42. Next 46 into 1 46. Next 48 into 1 48. Next 52 into 3 156. Next 54 into 1 54. Next 60 into 1 60. 62 into 1 62. So you straight multiply that. Okay, next 96 into 1 96 and last 98 into 1 equal to 98. Okay, so last तुमकां हांगासर टोटल करपाक जाय. सो हियर सगळ्या नंबरांची टोटल कराच ऍड करून आणि लास्ट टोटल जी असली तुमची 822 येतली. ओके, then we are going to find mean. So mean formula is mean of x summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Okay, x bar x. So summation of fi xi कितलो 822 आणि summation of fi 15. So हे divide कराच 15 divided by 822. So हांगासर 15 5 जा 75 येतलो. सो हांगा 72 येयलो. ओके, मागीर 15 4 जा 60 2 1 उरलो. सो डेसिमल दियाच. मागीर 15 8 जा. सो कितलो आन्सर येयलो 54.8. So the mean of the given data is 54.8. Okay, so like this you are going to solve. Thank you.